Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. You need Page Admin or Business Manager, right, so you can pull data. Once done, pick your dashboard tool, Facebook Insights for basic metrics or Creator Studio for content-level stats. Third-party tools unlock custom visualizations. Next, collect the key metrics you want to track like reach, engagement, and impressions, and decide on time frame. Last 7, 30, or 90 days. Do this now so the dashboard setup is precise and efficient, avoiding back and forth later. Now connect your page. Authorize API access in the dashboard tool and confirm correct page selection because mislinked pages give wrong metrics. After connection, design the layout. Place a time series trend for reach at the top, a top posts table in the middle, and demographic pie charts on the side so viewers scan logically. Make sure to map metrics to appropriate visuals. Use lines for trends and bars for comparisons, because the right chart reduces misinterpretation and speeds decision-making. Finish by setting refresh cadence and scheduling exports so stakeholders get updates without manual effort. Choose real-time only if needed, otherwise daily is sufficient. Once saved, preview the dashboard on mobile and desktop to confirm responsive layout and correct date ranges. If numbers look off, reauthorize the API token, confirm your page role, and verify filters and date ranges. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues. Finally, enable alerts for sudden drops so you can act quickly when performance changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.